Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run file handling programs in Python on mobile. First, you'll need to install a suitable Python interpreter application from your device's App Store. These apps create an environment where your Python scripts can execute, allowing you to write, edit, and run code directly on your phone or tablet. This is the primary method for mobile Python development. Selecting the right app is crucial. For Android users, Pidroid 3 is a robust choice, offering a full-featured IDE. iOS users often find Pythonista to be an excellent option, providing extensive libraries. Always check the app's features to confirm it supports file handling, as this is essential for your programs. Read reviews to ensure compatibility and functionality. Once you have your interpreter app, transfer your Python files to your mobile device. You can use cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, email the files to yourself, or connect via USB. The interpreter app usually has a built-in file browser and editor. You can open your script, make any necessary adjustments, and save it directly within the app. With your script open in the interpreter app, locate the Run button, typically a play icon. Tapping this will execute your Python program. Any file handling operations, such as reading from or writing to files, will occur within the app's sandboxed environment. The output will appear in the app's console, allowing you to see the results of your code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.